Hello everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, we're taking a moment to protect something very important, your Google account. If you've ever worried about forgetting your password or getting locked out, then this video is exactly what you need. We're going to set or update your Google account recovery email so you never lose access. Let's take our time and go through this together. First, open your browser and head over to google.com. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in with your email and password. I'm already signed in, so I'll continue from here. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A small menu pops up, and from here, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you straight into your Google account dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Click on Security and Sign In. Now scroll down slowly until you get to the area labeled How You Sign In to Google. Right there, you'll find Recovery Email. If you've never set one before, the space will be blank. And if you already have a recovery email saved, like mine, you'll see it displayed. Let's go through the update process together. Click on Recovery Email. Google will ask you to verify that it's really you, so enter your account password and click Next. This step is very important for your account's security. After verification, you'll now see the option to update your recovery email. You can change it by clicking the little edit icon or remove it completely using the delete icon. Let's update it. I'll click on the edit icon. Now simply type in your new recovery email address. Make sure it's an email you always have access to, maybe a backup Gmail account or another personal email you use regularly. Once you're done, click Save to confirm the update. And that's it. Your Google account recovery email is now updated and secured. This small step makes a big difference because it's one of the fastest ways to regain access to your account if anything ever goes wrong. Try to check this recovery email once in a while, just to make sure it's still active and accessible. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and secure tech tips. See you in the next one.